How to change default notification sound on Android. Hi guys, let's get started immediately. Now the first thing you want to do is to go over to your settings. Now guys, you want to go over to where you see sounds and vibrations and you want to tap on it. Then you go to notification sound and tap on it, and as you can see, my default notification sound is beep once, but over here there are so many notification sounds you can choose from. So go ahead and choose any one of them that you like, and this is exactly how you can change default notification sounds on Android. Now if you found this video helpful, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more useful tutorials like this. Now I'll see you in my next video. Bye.